Japanese car manufacturer Suzuki has confirmed to bring their popular 5-seater car Solio Bandit for the Indian market. The car was already launched in the Japanese market. Suzuki has a plan to introduce the car in the Indian market at the end of 2021 or early 2022 at the expected starting price of Rs 6 lakhs ex-showroom. The car was first showcased at the 2012 Indian Auto Expo as a 7-seater car, but the upcoming Solio Bandit will be a 5-seater car. In terms of power, the Indian specification of Solio Bandit will receive BS6 compliant 1.2-liter K12 4-cylinder petrol engine from Swift, which is capable of producing 92 PS of maximum power and 118 Nm of peak torque. The engine can be able to deliver the mileage of 23 kmpl. We can expect that Suzuki may bring the hybrid petrol setup for more power and fuel efficiency. It is expected that the engine will be mated to an optional 5-speed automatic or a CVT gearbox. Talking about the exterior design, the car gets an eye-catching boxy design with dual-tone exterior. Up front it gets split sleek LED projected headlights with LED TRLs, stylish front grille with thick chrome border, sleek black air inlets, and updated front bumper with bumper-mounted chrome-accented LED fog lights housing. The side profile gets power ward beams with integrated turn indicators, body-colored door handles, sliding doors, tinted glass, large wheel arcs with black cladding, and new set of dual-tone crystal-cut alloy wheels. The rear profile will receive L-shaped LED taillights, a chrome thick strip that joins the two taillights, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, tailgate indicated spoiler, spoiler-mounted emergency braking light, and updated rear bumper with bumper-mounted vertically placed fog lights housing. The interior of the car features airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new dashboard setup with dash-mounted AC vents, electric power adjustable leather-wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel with steering-mounted controls, driver side dash-mounted controls, dash-mounted semi-digital cluster with multi-information display, 9-inch HD touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, multiple drive modes, center armrest, premium sound system with 6 speakers, remote trunk opener, auto climate control, rear ceiling mounted split AC, USB charging port, push button start and stop, remote keyless entry, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with rear seat armrest, 60-40 split rear seats, personal table, and bigger boot space. The car is expected to be updated with a number of radar-based safety and assistive features including ABS with EBD, adaptive cruise control, hill assist control, electric stability control, engine immobilizer, seat belt and door hazard warning system, multiple airbags, speed sensing auto door lock, child safety lock, lane departure warning system, security alarm, and 360-degree camera with rear parking sensors. Thank you.